Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Now, second question on the concept combination of resistances. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the given circuit. Here you can see given circuit where three resistors are joined. One resistor is 4 ohm, second is 2 ohm, and third is 5 ohm. These are the three resistances or resistors with their resistance value. What can you observe? They are connected in series or parallel. Actually, here we can see current I will come here and it will distribute in three resistors, which means it is a parallel combination. So, how can we calculate net resistance or equivalent resistance in a parallel combination? So, now we will solve this question. We can assume the values of the given resistors as R1 as 5 ohm, R2 as 2 ohm, and R3 as 4 ohm. Okay. Now, for parallel combination, the formula for equivalent resistance is reciprocal of individual resistances. So, what is that? 1 by R equals 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, because there are three resistors, so three resistance values. Now, we will put the individual values. 1 by R1 means 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Here we have to take LCM and simplify it further. So, taking LCM of 5, 4 and 2, I think it will come 20. So, it will become 4 plus 10 plus 5. Correct? 4, 10 and 5. Result is 10 plus 4, 14 plus 5, 19. So, 19 by 20. But this is the value of 1 by R, means reciprocal. So, R will be reciprocal of 19 by 20, means 20 by 19 ohm. This is the net equivalent resistance of the given parallel combination of resistances, 20 by 19 ohm.